Hello guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space with TeamBiz, and in this video I actually want to take my community through as concerning what Hamster Tokenomics is all about. So I've been seeing a lot of information around about people that are just coming online trying to explain and stuff like that, but in this video I just want to give you the things that you need to know when it comes to tokenomics. So token plus economics, that is what they call tokenomics. As you can see here, Hamster Kombat white paper is what is coming soon, just as you have it here on the screen, coming soon. So their white paper is not yet out. You can see Hamster Kombat is actually listing on 9 big exchanges, just as you have it here. You have Binance, you have Bybit, OKX, BingS, HTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Mexi, BitGet. So 9 big exchange, so it's going to be a big one by the time they launch. Do you get it? So, and let's scroll down. So looking at the roadmap that we have here, so this has been achieved, this. So now we're in July. So July is the month of their token generation event tokens. So this July, we don't know what they have for us. So, and in the third quarter of 2024, that is what we are having coming next. And also in the fourth quarter of 2024, they said they have many more exciting updates to give to people. All right. So that is that about the roadmap currently. So roadmap shows more or less like a calendar breakdown of what the activities is all about. So very quickly, let's just go to the next website I want to show you. So let's assume what those guys are saying, if it is true. So let's just check it out very quickly. As you have it here, 76% is for partnership in the sense like all the big exchanges, as I've said earlier in the video, they are listing on 9 big exchanges. So more or less like 76% is going to them, like them being the partners. Do you get it? So right now the key opinion leaders is holding 8%. So I don't know who the key opinion leaders have for them to be holding that 8.25%. So now we have the airdrop initial, just 1% for airdrop, and that doesn't make sense at all. Initial DEX offering 0.25. So that is people that actually want to buy on the decentralized exchanges and stuff like that, 0.25%. Token liquidity, okay, that is still acceptable. Community incentive, so let's just say just maximum of 2% for the community for population of over 200 million users. So it doesn't make sense really. So that is why I said that for you not to find the white paper on the Hamster Kombat website, it shows that they should actually be back to their drawing board to come back to the public and also release a new one that actually factor in the number of people that they are currently having, because definitely by the time they had this one, definitely they don't know that they will be generally accepted. But now that they have over 200 million users, it is a must that they have to go back to their drawing board. So now partnership 76%, key opinion leaders 8.25%. So now let's just scroll up. So now there is a total of 10 billion tokens. 10 billion tokens. So now looking at what we have here, we have the key opinion leaders to be holding 8.25%. That is 825 million hamsters. And now you're having for the airdrops 1%, which is what 100 million Hamster Kombat. So now how do they want to distribute this to people? So that is why you see that they keep coming up with what we are not using coin balance. So we are going to be making use of profit per hour. Do you get it right now? So but now even that profit per hour, that we have a lot of people into millions of profit per hour, we don't know what they are going to come up with again to actually bring down the tokens that will be going out, because definitely nobody can receive 1 million tokens when you only have 100 million Hamster tokens to be given out to airdroppers. Do you get it right now? So definitely this might be their old tokenomics. So but if they are also coming up with a new one that is like this, then it's not going to really give airdroppers a good move. So instead, people that are actually going to be trading will be the one benefiting much, like people that wants to buy from the partners, that is the likes of Binance, Bybit, OKX, Gate.io and the likes. So those are people that are actually going to benefit more. But for airdroppers, it might just be more or less like a penny for you to just buy popcorn. So all right, so now also looking at the other ones for the team. So the team is taking 5.75 million. So how many are they in the team? Let's say roughly they are even up to 1,000 and they are taking 5.75%. Now compare, let's even say they are up to 1,000 people in their team. Now 200 million airdrop users or airdroppers to be sharing 100 million Hamster tokens. Why people that might not even be up to 1,000 are going to be sharing 575 million Hamster tokens? You can see that is crazy, right? So I think what they can do in this case right now is to reduce what they've allocated for partnership, and what if they can increase the amount given to airdroppers to 10%. I think that is going to really make a lot of sense, or even 30-40%, just like other airdrops are doing. Notcoin made it a community project, and also some other ones like MemeFi also make it like almost like 70% thereabout for community incentives. Do you get it right now? So if Hamster Kombat is really going to do well with the airdrop of a thing, and for people not to dump their project and people now have to keep fighting the project after it's launched, I think it's very much needed that they must review what is going out to the community. So even at this and this, that is just roughly 200 million tokens. So that means even if they are giving everybody their 200 million users one token, definitely there will be people that might not even be getting up to 0.001 Hamster token. Do you get it right now? So all right, guys. So I think by now you're already satisfied that what, don't panic. Let's wait for their new white paper and let's see what they've got for the public. Do you get it? But for now, I would say continue with your mining, continue with your activity, but don't expect too much from Hamster tokens because they cannot have the money to actually settle over 200 million users. It's not possible. Notcoin, that actually opened these gates for all of this Telegram mini app, actually launched at a market cap of 1 billion US dollar for just 35 million users. Now that you have over 200 million users, how much do you think they will be launching at? Do you get it? So it's not possible. They cannot launch at 10 billion USD. It's not possible. Who is going to finance that? Who is going to finance such kind of expenses for people just to catch up? Do you get it? So lower your expectations when it comes to Hamster Kombat, but be on the high hope. So and I would also be dropping some other airdrops that are still very much recent. There are not much people doing it. I know this project is going to disappoint a lot of people because several people has a lot of higher expectations, more than what they imagine, but on the launch it's going to disappoint a lot of people with what they are expecting. It's going to do well, but with what people are expecting in terms of financial returns, it might not do well. All right, guys, I believe this video has actually been able to expose you to several information concerning Hamster Kombat Tokenomics and the likes. So if you actually enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and also make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more exciting updates. And until next time, bye for now.